Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to break down 7 proven ways to maximize your Shopify profit margins in 2026, step by step. This is one of the most important topics for any store owner because more sales don't always mean more profit. Ads are more competitive than ever, and small margin improvements can double your income. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where profits are leaking, how to fix it, and how successful Shopify stores stay profitable even with paid ads. So let's get started. First, what profit margins really mean in Shopify? Before strategies, let's clear the air. Before profit margin is what's left after everything, right? Product cost, shipping, ad spend, ads, payment fees, refunds. Many stores make sales and still lose money. The goal isn't revenue, it's profitable systems. Way number one, increase of or AOV before chasing more traffic. The fastest way to increase profit is not more ads, it's higher average order value. That's what AOV stands for. Simple method: product bundles, quantity discounts, frequent bought together offers, or post add to cart upsells. Right? If your AOV goes up, ad costs hurt less. Even a small increase changes everything. Way number two, optimize product pricing strategically. More stores underprice out of fear. In 2026, customers don't buy the cheapest. They buy clear value, trust, simplicity. Test psychological pricing, anchoring with higher variance, slight price increases, 5 to 10%. Often, conversions stay the same while profit increases. Never race to the bottom. Way number three, reduce ad waste, not ad spend. Ads aren't the enemy, inefficiency is. To reduce wasted spend, kill non-converting creatives, focus on best-selling products, improve product pages, tighten targeting after data. Better conversion rate equals lower CPA equals higher margins. Fix the funnel before cutting ads. Way number four, negotiate with suppliers and optimize fulfillment. This is boring, but and powerful. Actions that increase margins are order in slightly higher volume, ask suppliers for better pricing, switch to faster fulfillment with fewer refunds, reduce damaged shipments. Even $1 saved per order scales massively over time. Margins live in operations. Way number five, reduce refunds and chargebacks. Refunds destroy profits silently. Common causes: misleading product pages, long shipping times, poor expectations, weak support. Fixed by clear delivery timelines, honest product descriptions, strong FAQ sections, proactive customer emails. Lower refunds equals instant profit boost. Way number six, cut unnecessary Shopify app costs. Apps inconvenience and kill margins. Audit your apps. Are you using all features? Can one app replace three? Is the ROI justified? All right. Many stores run 10 plus apps they don't need. Less apps, faster store, plus higher profit. Okay. Way number seven, retain customers instead of constantly acquiring new ones. This is where real profit lives. Acquiring new customers is expensive. Retention strategy: email follow-ups, post-purchase offers, loyalty programs, repeat buyer discounts. A returning customer costs less and buys more. Retention turns stores into businesses. Okay. Bonus tip: track margins per product, not per store. Most people track overall profit, okay? But you should track profit per product, profit per ad set, profit per traffic source. Kill low margin product fast. Double down on winners. Avoid these. Avoid scaling unprofitable ads, ignoring refund rate, also over discounting, chasing revenue screenshots, copying competitors blindly. Profit is quiet but powerful. Maximizing Shopify profit margins in 2026 isn't about hacks. It's about smart pricing, better systems, cleaner operations, long-term thinking. Okay, if you fix margins, like everything else becomes easier, right? Everything else becomes easier. Ads, scaling, and eventually growth. You're gonna be able to earn more with less ads and less fees, right? Or less money. So if this complete walkthrough helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full profit tracking or scaling tutorial next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And please share this video with a close one, because we don't know who needs this video in the future. Some people are aspiring to be Shopify experts and they don't know the basics. So this video could actually help them. So see you in the next one.